At Boldt HVAC, we specialize in reliable furnace repair services in Burnsville, Minnesota 55306. Our team is committed to ensuring your heating system runs efficiently, keeping your home warm during Minnesota's cold winters. Whether it's a malfunctioning thermostat or a complete system breakdown, we diagnose and fix all furnace issues. With prompt, professional service, we restore your home's comfort quickly, minimizing downtime and ensuring long-lasting performance. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for a furnace repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. How do I know if my furnace needs repair? You may need furnace repair if you notice uneven heating, strange noises, higher energy bills, frequent cycling, or the system not turning on. Boldt HVAC can quickly diagnose and resolve any furnace issues. Can a furnace repair improve my energy efficiency? Yes, furnace repairs can improve energy efficiency by addressing issues like clogged filters, malfunctioning thermostats, or worn components. At Boldt HVAC, we ensure your system runs smoothly, helping lower energy costs and enhance performance. What is your service area for the Burnsville, Minnesota office? Our furnace repair service has successfully helped customers in the surrounding areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Eagan, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Burnsville, Minnesota furnace repair service located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/Burnsville-HVAC.